The Flying Fijians 15's squad for the upcoming July Test series will be named on the 11th of June. Head coach Mick Byrne has confirmed that a preliminary squad will be named 1 week before the final 30-member squad is finalized. Byrne is monitoring the performance of some of his key players in Europe before deciding on the makeup of his team.
We probably started with a squad of about 80 players that are playing around the world that are eligible for us, and we've just been looking at form and watching a few players overseas, and obviously the Drua players pretty closely, and we sort of narrowed that down to probably potentially a squad of 50 at the moment. There's a couple of big games coming up over the next few weeks, a couple of big games coming up over the next couple of weeks in the north, which we'll have our eye on as well, and and then the players will finish up. So we hope to name our squad, our final squad, by about June 11. There'll be potentially a squad around about June 4. We'll probably name a preliminary squad, of which we'll finalise a week later.